How to fix WhatsApp video call minimize problem. First thing guys, open the settings, go to the apps manager, open the apps like this and then go into the WhatsApp. Now this is the app informations page as you can see. Or what you have to do is click on this permissions and make sure that all the permissions here are enabled, especially the call logs and the camera. Go back and then click on the data usage. Make sure to enable all the options right here, especially the mobile data and the Wi-Fi. And then go back and now click on the storage right here, click on clear data and then click delete. By the way, this includes all files, settings, accounts, databases. So this is an optional step because you will lose all the data. So if you don't want to lose the data, click cancel and click only on clear cache. That's it guys, don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching.